No matter where you are from or what you do for a living, making extra bucks have been simplified through digitalization. As long as you know how to tap into the vast amount of opportunities in the digital space, you can get some extra cash. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 21 strategies that will help you solve your money problems. 1. Content curator. Content curation means sorting different ideas from the internet and gathering the relevant ones, with the intent to create appropriate content. Content curation is especially lucrative when you get a contract from a business. Ability to research, organize, and write is what it takes to take up the job. Knowledge about basic web concepts and HTML is a plus. 2. YouTubing. Having a YouTube channel is one lucrative way to make money, especially if your channel is impressive. For you to start, pick a niche and determine if you want to teach or inform. Be consistent with your videos and start earning via affiliate or influencer marketing, CPI, ads, and so on. 3. Phone flipping. Phone flipping has to do with buying a phone at one price and reselling at a higher price. You may consider starting up with iPhones because they are the hottest, steady in supply, high in demand, and have massive profit margins. Afterwards, you can add Samsung and other phones. To get started, visit sites like Flipsy Local, Craigslist, and so on. 4. Drop shipping. Drop shipping does not require you to buy and stock goods. Instead, you take orders from customers and send to a wholesaler or manufacturer, who in turn carries the ordered goods directly to the customer. As a ship dropper, you sell the manufacturer's product from your website and under your brand. Also, you are responsible for shipping costs and fixing prices. 5. UI UX designer. A UI or UX designer is someone who designs the user interfaces for machines and software with the focus of maximizing usability and user experience. A good design and color sense in how to create a portfolio are a great way to start. Then, take up small projects to assess whether you are genuinely passionate. 6. Instagram account flipping. You may not know how to grow a page, neither are you in need of a vast audience. But you can do something here and get money. Be a middleman. Connect Instagram sellers with buyers and get your cool cash. Nonetheless, this business is quite risky, as there are many scammers. Therefore, you must be familiar with how the market works before you venture into it. 7. Sales funnel developer. A sales funnel consists of each step that someone has to take to become your customer. The action taken to get in a relationship with someone is the same as the one used to generate leads. The 4 steps involved in every relationship are awareness, interest, decision, and action. Hence, with a strong interpersonal skill, you will be able to scale excellent funnels to businesses. 8. Photo editor. The growing need for validation on social media platforms has made this job rather profitable. You can either edit the photos of individuals or work with a photographer and edit his shots. To get started, you ought to equip yourself with knowledge of CorelDRAW and the Adobe suite, especially Adobe Photoshop. 9. Facebook ads for small businesses. What if you can use the exact way you used to woo your crush to make some cash? Here's the deal. Learn how to use Facebook tools, then target small businesses for a start, and convince them that you can help them get more sales for a minimal amount. Once they agree, convert your wooing techniques into ad copies and seal it with a CTA. Then run the ad on Facebook. I bet with the right words, that ad copy will drive sales and you will get more jobs. 10. Business plan developer. Do you know that there are people who want to venture into business but do not know about business plan preparation? Well, you can step in by drawing short and long-term goals for business startups. 11. Pinterest visual assistant. You can make up to $50 per hour as a part-time Pinterest VA. A Pinterest VA helps clients grow their Pinterest online presence. Your job specification includes creating pins, scheduling posts, keyword search, analyzing Pinterest analytics, and so on. 12. Teach a subject online. This is quite easy, as all you need to do is to teach the things you already know. To get started on this, you only have to locate students online, and many websites are available to connect you with students. 13. Be a rideshare driver. A rideshare driver uses his or her car on a full-time or part-time basis to convey clients to different areas. So you can put your vehicle to use by registering it in an Uber or Lyft company, and you can make between $5 to $40 per hour or $30,000 annually. 14. Video editing. You can start to do simple video editing for vloggers and individuals on your mobile phone with applications like InShot and Filmora. However, if you want to be professional, you must do well to acquire a PC and install software like Adobe Premiere Pro. Learning to use this software is quite easy, thanks to YouTube videos. 15. Complete tasks on TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is an online platform that connects users to paying gigs. TaskRabbit operate in 47 cities in the United States, and jobs that get the highest earning potential are cleaning, handyman, and moving jobs. To begin, you must register an account and fit into the requirements. You can earn as much as $40 per day. 16. Rent your spare room. Do you have an extra room in your apartment? What if you place it on rent on Airbnb? You can make extra bucks by renting out your room to part-time users like travelers and tourists, and also business owners to store their products. For you to have a fair deal, always be sure to provide accurate paperwork. 17. Personal shopper. Personal shopping is a home-based business that is ideal for those who love to shop. What do you think about making good use of your excellent shopping skills? You get to have fun and make money. As a shopper, you interview your clients to know their taste and run errands for clients, typically busy individuals, and get paid. 18. Teach a language. Are you able to communicate fluently in more than one language? Then you can turn that language skill to a side hustle. You can either host webinars or register on sites that can connect you with individuals who want to learn the language. 19. Preparing CVs. You do not have to be specially gifted to build CVs. It is a skill that can be learned by anyone. There are many materials online on how to write a CV and cover letter, and many websites to download templates from. You can sign up on Fiverr, Guru, etc. to start getting gigs. For you to be exceptional in this field, you must keep learning. 20. Email management. As an email manager, your job is to identify a target audience and grow list, design email marketing template, edit and proofread emails, write newsletters, analyze campaign performance, and give reports. To get started, you need to be able to use Mailchimp, Constant Contact, and other emailing marketing tools. 21. Test or review products. Products review play an essential role in helping a business improve. Thus, many companies now pay individuals to share their opinion about their products and services on the internet. Websites like Swagbox, sponsoredreviews.com, user testing, and many others allows you to register with them and get paid up to $10 per review, depending on if it has to be written, voice, or audio. A Babylonian proverb once said, "Opportunity is a haughty goddess that wastes no time with those who are unprepared." To earn from these platforms, you have to prepare. Learn as much as you can with small jobs so that when the big opportunities come, it won't sweep you off your feet. Start now.